Australian businesses need to generate business activity statements on a monthly or quarterly basis. Marlin GTX users can do this by clicking on Reports, then Business Activity Statement. A prompt will appear reminding you that Megabus is not a BAS service provider or tax agent, and that you are responsible for ensuring the information is correct. Click Yes to acknowledge the reminder. You will then be shown a list of BAS periods. Select the period you want, then click Generate. The BAS screen for that period will open and is split into 5 sections. It will open on the summary screen, showing the title of the period at the top, with the word Interim in brackets, indicating that the period has not been closed yet. The summary screen is divided into 2 sections, showing sales and purchases, with the GST payable and GST credit amounts listed at the bottom. Each section also lists the relevant line items along with their unique codes. The formulas for amounts derived from other line totals are shown in brackets, so you can see how the calculations were made. The Sales tab shows a breakdown of each transaction and the GST collected. You should check any transaction with figures in the GST exempt sales column. For example, here are 2 transactions that indicate GST was not charged. This is typically because the customers are registered TPI veterans, which you can confirm by performing a customer inquiry and checking for a TPI veterans number. Also check for any transactions in red, as these have been flagged as potential discrepancies that require review. The Purchases page similarly lists each transaction, grouped into capital and other purchases. Check the GST-free items column for any figures and investigate them to confirm whether GST should have been applied. The Adjustments tab lists any manual entries such as FID or merchant fees. The Exceptions tab shows any transactions flagged for review, including red highlighted items from the Sales or Purchases pages. Make sure to check all of these thoroughly before generating and submitting your final BAS report. For more information, visit megabus.com.au and take control of your workshop with Marlin GTX trusted automotive management software.